One of the simplest things you can do to transform the look of your home is replace your doors. At Feldco, we make that easy. From entry doors to storm doors, patio doors to French doors, Feldco has many different options for your home that incorporate quality construction, energy efficiency, and amazing looks. But first, let's start with the basics. All doors that Feldco offers are custom made for your home and designed specifically for the unique weather of the Midwest to keep you cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. An entry door is a great opportunity to improve your home's curb appeal and transform your home's exterior. Entry doors come in several different styles and materials. The most popular entry doors come in either fiberglass or steel construction, each with their own unique benefits. Fiberglass entry doors offer the beauty of wood doors without the hassle. For example, they'll never rot, warp, or expand when exposed to moisture, unlike wood entry doors. Fiberglass entry doors have the unique ability to look just like real wood and come in various shades and finishes. Steel entry doors provide excellent strength and security and feature a foam-filled core for added insulation and energy efficiency. With many decorative glass and hardware options, you can create a one-of-a-kind door to match your needs and personal style. If you're looking for additional protection from the elements for your doorway and want more ventilation options, storm and screen doors are the perfect solution. With a wide variety of styles, colors, and screen options, you can create a truly custom storm door to best enhance the entry of your home. Up next are Feldco's patio doors. When you've got the opportunity to enjoy some beautiful views and let the great weather in, we're here to help you choose the perfect door to complement your home's style. First up are sliding patio doors. They offer maximum light and ventilation with a large sliding glass panel. Since they smoothly open and close on a track, sliding patio doors don't take up much space in your room, but still enable those great views. Swinging or French patio doors feature doors hinged on each end with knobs or hardware in the middle to create a dramatic look. These doors can swing inward or outward, and you can choose to have one or both doors operational. When you're ready to begin your door project, call or visit us online. Feldco, improving lives one home at a time.